a taste of goodness. Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Vanell Cooks, and today I'm sharing the recipe for this amazingly delicious peanut butter soup or groundnut soup. Now this recipe is so simple, very easy to make, and super quick. So if this sounds like something you're interested in, please do the needful so we can get to it. Have you done it? Good, let's get right to it, y'all. Alrighty, so here I have nearly washed my goat meat with some lemon and vinegar. At this point, I'll just go ahead and add some hot water, bay leaf, diced onions, and some salt. I'll parboil this until it's at the same tenderness as my cow meat, and also to get rid of that pungent goat meat smell, because I really do not care for it, okay? So at this point, I'll just go ahead and get rid of the water and set this aside. Next, I have a few vegetables in here, i.e. ginger, garlic, 1 habanero, and some chopped up onions. I'll add these beauties to a blender. To that, I'll add some rosemary and aniseed. Add enough water. Cover it up and give it a good blend. Now to my parboiled goat meat, I just added my cow meat, and to that I'll add my blended up ingredients, diced onions, a shrimp tablet, beef seasoning, Adobo all-purpose seasoning, salt, a little bit of water, and 2 spice blend cubes. Go ahead and stir until everything is very well incorporated. Cover up and allow to cook in its own juices for about 15 minutes on medium heat. Alrighty, so here we have our peanut butter or paste. Now to this we'll add enough hot water, but we'll be adding it in bits whilst we whisk to get a very smooth, watery consistency, okay? Now, to eliminate stress, and if you are not willing to, do all that work, you can just go ahead and add them to a blender and give it a good blend. That would also work perfectly, okay? Does that look pretty or what? So at this point, we'll just go ahead and transfer this into a heated pot, and we'll be whisking or stirring this until oil settles on top of it, okay? Just like so. Do not stop for any reason because it will burn, okay? Set this aside and allow to cool completely. Now back to our proteins. They smell amazing, you guys. Now while stirring, you can see that the sauce around it has thickened up a bit, which is perfect. So we'll go ahead and add in some herrings or amane or amanswa, as well as our tomato paste. Stir to combine everything beautifully. Add a tad bit of water to that to loosen stuff up a bit. Then you want to proceed to add 1 large onion, 3 Roma tomatoes, and some habaneros. Again, a little bit of water. Cover it up and leave to cook until the vegetables soften up, just like so. Beautiful. Now at this point, you want to get your veggies out into a blender. Add some fresh ginger for that kick, okay? Add enough water to this. You can add as much as you want. Cover it up and give it a good blend. Strain your blended up ingredients into your pot, adding enough water as you go. Now, I know, okay? But do not panic. You can add as much water as you want to at this stage, because you've already built up your flavor, and so the flavor is still there. It will taste delicious regardless, okay? Trust me on this one. So next is your cooked peanut butter. And yes, I transferred it into cold water once it cooled down and I whisked again. Unfortunately, I didn't film that part, so I don't have the footage for that, but that is exactly what I did. Now I'll blend this pulp and add that in there as well, because we all know we don't waste nothing in this kitchen, okay? We don't waste anything. Does this look good or does this look good? And it smells amazing. Okay, it smells so good. Oh my goodness. Cover up after stirring and bring to a rolling boil. Once it boils and you see oil settling on top of it, at this point it means it is good to go. Okay, but we all know this is a very tricky soup, so you want to make sure it is cooked all the way through to avoid frequent visits to a place you don't want to know. Okay, your tummy will send you there. So I just added a few pieces of salmon or smoked mackerel in there that I'll be leaving for about 5 minutes, after which we'll come back and give this a very good stir. Now, as you can see, the meat is at a perfect tenderness, y'all. It's not too soft and definitely not too hard. So now our final protein is some fried fish. So we'll add that in there at this stage because we still want to have a little bit of crispy action going on. We don't want our fish to be super soggy or too soft in our soup, so they go in last, okay? Taste and adjust your seasoning if you need to. Mine is perfect, so I'll just add some peppers for heat, and that's garnish. Now, if you are wondering why the soup is too thick, it's because we'll be enjoying it with some rice and we need it to be thick, okay? However, you can add as much water as you want and the flavor still will not be compromised. Just be reasonable though, okay? Serve and enjoy. Does this look good or does this look good? The aroma clouding this space right now. Oh my goodness. Head on over right now and let's enjoy. But be sure to bring a chilled drink and your spoon, because I'm not giving you one. If you don't have a spoon at this stage, what are you doing? What are you actually doing? Thank you so much for cooking with me today. I really do hope you enjoyed yourself, because I sure did enjoy the cooking myself. Until I see you next time. Bye.